Alright, so I just thought I'd talk real quick about paint sprayers. I just got through, well, this summer. I spent a good portion of the summer prepping and painting a two-story, 1,600 square foot house and saved myself, I don't know, probably 7 or 8 grand. I had a former student that gave me some advice on how to do it, so I'm just going to quick talk about what I did it and then the sprayer that I used because I just think it's good value, best value there is. So, pressure washed it, dried, orbital sanded it with an orbital sander that I rigged up with a shop vac. I'll link to that one. And then after that, this side I peel stop first, then seal grip primer, and then 2 coats. Once I had the base coat, then just went and face rolled the trim, and then also has sort of an awkward soffit and fascia there, and had to do that by hand. But I was just thinking about it because I'm putting stuff away for the winter in the shed. This is the paint sprayer. I did the whole thing with it, and it did it beautifully. One tip, didn't even change the tip out. The main thing that I really like about it is that this bad boy comes off. This is what you put into the 5-gallon paint bucket, and you can hook the hose direct up to it, which makes it really easy to clean. Because I was working by myself, so it took there was be a lot of days that I had to put it away and then get it out again. So really handy. It makes cleaning out the systems maybe like 10 minutes, 5 minutes instead of being a long process. So that's probably the best, most unique part about it, is just how easy it is to set up and take down. Anyways, and it held up for the job, so at $300, that's worth it. I'm hoping to get a couple other jobs out of it. I have a rental and a couple other things that I'm hoping to get out of it, but it paid for itself already just with the first job, and it held up